Hello, you're welcome to Favor White Skincare. It's your girl Favor White. If it's your first time seeing me, we talked about in Favor White Skincare, we talk about cream. We talk about cream products that you can use. We also talk about how you can treat stretch mark and how you can treat cellulite, how you can treat all sorts of skin reaction. And we also talk about hair. That is why we call it Favor White Skincare and head care. How you can maintain your head, how you face some kind of difficulties doing your health challenge and what to use to treat. So if it's your first time seeing me, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post new video, you will be the #1 to see it. And I want to also apologize for, because it has been long that I did video, to all my subscribers. Please don't be annoyed. I have not been fine, so I just overcome the little illness. So thank you for your patience. Thank you. Your girl is back again. So today I'm going to talk about some best lighting and fasting cream that you can use to lighten your skin. It's fast, and some of them are safe and some of them are not safe. So you have to apply some some products to make it not give you skin reaction, like coconut oil, like shinic oil, to make sure that you are on the safe side. So the first one I'm going to talk about, they are very affordable. The ones I'm talking about, they are very affordable and they are fast in giving. If you need, those people that need a cream that is going to lighten you so very quick, all those ones, this one is for you. So the first one I'm going to talk about is a fair and white, the pink type. The pink type is also safe. It's going to flash on the screen, so it's safe and it's affordable. You can get it for the range of 5,000 to 6,000 in Nigeria. So it's very affordable and it's also safe. But you know, in my channel I used to talk about, no matter how safe that cream is, as far it can lighten you and the rest, so you have to play on the safer side by getting coconut oil, by getting your shinic oil, to make sure that it does not react on your skin. So this fair and white, the pink type, is also safe and it's also good also, but I don't give you guarantee of 100% about it. So I always advise you go with your rescue team. I call it rescue team, which is the coconut oil and the shenic oil. Then the other I'm going to talk about is pure carrot. Pure carrot, I have really used it, so I'm going to emphasize on it very well because I've used the pure carrot. Also the pink type of the pure carrot, I've used it. The first time I started using pure carrot, it really gave me this smooth and lovely skin that when I comes out, everybody will just say, what kind of cream are you using? What kind of this are you using? All those ones there. Then after the first cup, I decided to repeat it. That time I was still in school, so I decided to repeat it when I graduated, all those ones. Then I noticed it that pure carrot, with if you choose to use pure carrot, you have to go with your coconut oil, you have to go with your shenic oil, because I was not using that time. I was just a novice in cream, all those ones. I never know, just to go there, madam, I need a very nice cream for my skin. They will just recommend without me knowing that there are skin reaction, all those ones there. So the first time I used pure carrot, I was not having any white patches or kind of stuff. But when I reuse it again, that is when I noticed it that the pure, and I bought it from the same reliable stores, the same store that does not sell fake, all those ones that I bought the first one for. That is when I now studied it and I noticed that pure carrot contains hydroquinone. Let me be honest with you. It contains hydroquinone. So when I use the second cup, I noticed stretch mark, green veins, so I immediately, I've not even used it up to half. I immediately stopped it. I started treating the stretch marks, started treating the green veins that comes. That is when I was now exposed to the coconut oil and the shenic oil. I was not so I was just like being a novice without knowing that most of all these creams contains hydroquinone and the rest. So if you are going, fair carrot is a very nice cream, but I will advise you to use coconut oil and shenic oil, the stage 2. Or if you have not gotten any kind of skin reaction, you can use the stage 1. I talk a lot about the crude coconut oil, the shenic oil I talk about the stage 1 and the stage 2. The stage 1 is when you have not gotten any skin reaction, you can use it. But the stage 2, if you have gotten it, you want to do treatment, you can use it. You can go back, I will drop the link there, the 2 link, when I talk about it. So you can go back and watch it to see how to differentiate it there. So you have to use these 2 things to prevent yourself from having green veins, white patches, and stretch marks. Stretch marks is difficult to treat, which we are still finding solution to the stretch mark issue that is on board. You can treat green veins, you can treat white patches, but it's difficult to remove stretch mark permanently. So don't get stretch mark because of you want to look good and the rest. So that is it for pure carrot. If you are going for pure carrot, make sure you buy even all the oil cream, even the fair and white I talked about. Make sure you get your kutkenakol and your shea oil. The other one I'm going to talk about is glutathione injection. Glutathione injection is going to flash on your skin. It's very, very good. It lights you. It gives you this kind of glowing skin that when you come out, people admire you and the rest. But the glutathione injection also contains a bit of hydroquinone. So if you are going for glutathione, I advise you also the way I'm advising you for the pure carrot to make sure you get your rescue team. I call it rescue team, which is the kutkenakol and the shea oil. Make sure you get it, you apply it so that by the time the cream is reacting, it will not have effect on your skin. So I advise you to go. Glutathione is very good and the rest, but make sure you use the rescue team to make sure you be on the safe side. Then the last one I'm going to talk about, if you really want to use that last one, it's called Easy Glow. I have the container of the soap. This is the soap. So this Easy Glow, you can see it that I did not use it far. This Easy Glow, this particular gold type you are seeing, so let me not lie to you. Out of those other creams I have mentioned, those other 3 creams I have mentioned, this Easy Glow is the strongest. I can't deceive you. It's the strongest cream. So you going for, it's going to white you so very quick. You're going to see the result very, very fast. But it contains a lot of hydroquinone. I'm not spoiling the product. I have used it. You can see that I threw away the cream. Because when I started using it, within a week, I noticed a lot of green veins. I noticed a lot of reactions on my skin. Even with the kutkenakol, to see how strong it is. I wish it's not the kutkenakol. My body would have been filled with a lot of stretch marks. If it's not the kutkenakol and the shea oil, my body would have been filled with green veins. Would have been filled with green veins. To be frank and sincere, it would have been filled with green veins. So you using it, I don't advise you to buy it, but if you choose to use it to your own, make sure you get kutkenakol, make sure you get the shea oil and apply to it. And when you want to apply it, make sure you don't rub it every time. Let me just say morning and night. Try and be rubbing it twice a week. Because I never know I was rubbing it morning, then the next day night, or those ones. Make sure you just put it as a routine that it is twice a week you want to be using it, because it's too strong. It's going to give you, even with the kutkenakol and the shea oil, you will still see a little bit of the reaction. I am telling you the truth. Look at it. You can see it in my, and the rest one I'm not having it, but this one, look at it. I threw away the cream. I've not used it far. All those I threw it away. So it's very, very strong. I was thinking that is the cream. That is why I threw away the cream. Then I said, okay, let me be using only the soap. The soap itself, this shower gel itself is still strong. Chemicals, kutkenakol. If I say kutkenakol, hydroquinone is many also in this. So I don't advise you to use it. If you want to use this one, make sure you're on the safe side. Make sure you are, and not every time you also use the soap also. You can also apply it twice a week. You can find any other soap you can be using and apply it twice a week. Then also with the cream. So that is it. So those are, it's very good. It gives you that glowing skin, like the way it names are glow. It gives you glowing skin, all those sorts. But the repercussion that follows it, that is what I'm emphasizing on. So I like what I used to tell my fans, what I used to tell my viewers out there. I don't come here and just talk about, say, let us just talk about it, all those was there. I want to get subscribers, I want to get views, I want my channel to go. No, I always talk about the truth. Yeah, I'm always honest. Like one of my subscribers that replied me after many months when I told him the truth of how to use a shenic oil, the difference between shenic oil and the rest, and how it's going to apply it on those sorts. She saw results. She came back after 2 months. She somehow shut me up. She commented on this thing, on the video, down the video, those sorts. So she shut me up after, she did me again after 2 months. So she was not telling me that why she subscribed. Then she did not subscribe. I did not even notice that she did not subscribe. She just came across the video and she loved my honesty. She tried and she saw result. She said why she subscribed is the honesty in me, all those sorts. So I'm still saying it. I will not just come to my channel because I need subscribers, because I need views. I need my channel to go to say something. Then maybe you use it, then you do not see results. I don't do that. If it's a little subscriber I have, I will always tell you the truth. That is how it is. I like what I said about the Easy Glow. I will always tell you about the truth. If you choose to use it, that is just it. So those are just this thing. So I want to thank you all once again for viewing my channel. I want to thank you for subscribing. If you know you are seeing me for the first time, you have not subscribed, you have been listening to my channel, to this particular video right from the beginning to the end now, and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. It does not take anything for you. Click on that red button there and subscribe. Thank you so very much. I appreciate it. Thank you to all my old subscribers and all my returning subscribers that used to view, like, all those ones. I appreciate. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for how far my channel has gone. Without you, my channel would have not got it to this place it is. I am so very, very grateful to you people. Thank you. You can recommend it by sharing with your friends. You can save someone skin heart there. So by recommending our channel to your friends and your loved one. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.